Hey guys, Anthony here with a comparison of Vidently and Promoyze, which are both desktop video creation apps with which you can create videos using pre-made or done-for-you video templates. When you look at the user interface of both these apps, they look quite similar. However, Vidently provides much more flexibility and customization options. One main difference is that you can create videos using pre-made video templates rather than projects. Essentially, you mix and match scenes from various scene packs to create your own unique videos, and this one difference alone is a huge advantage. You will find an enhanced layers section with edit buttons in addition to the hotspots. This is particularly useful when you have several overlapping hotspots. In the timeline below, you can rearrange scenes by dragging and dropping them, as well as add transitions between scenes. With Vidently, you can create vertical and square videos. Here are a couple of examples of square and vertical videos I created using the parallax template. And finally, you get 200 pre-made video templates with Vidently front-end, as opposed to 100 done-for-you templates in Promoyze. Based on testing and using Vidently myself, I would highly recommend it if you are into video creation. During the launch period, you can get it at a very low price. You can check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.